What's the meaning of bottle party? Bottle party. Bottle party.
Bottle party. Bottle party. The term bottle party typically refers to a social gathering or event where guests are expected to bring their own bottles of alcohol, rather than having drinks provided for them. The result of such a party can vary depending on the participants and situations involved. In some cases, it can lead to a fun and lively atmosphere as people share and enjoy each other's drinks. However, excessive drinking and a lack of moderation could also lead to negative consequences such as drunkenness, fights, or other risky behavior. Therefore, it is important for hosts and guests alike to act responsibly and ensure that everyone has a safe and enjoyable time.